What up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This your boy Jay Breezy for Leaky Honda. All right, let's talk about this Leaky Honda. As you can see, we got it all buttoned up, so to speak, but it's not buttoned up that well, and I'm going to show you why. I don't know. Gonna have to do something. Let's pull this out. I have to move it up, which is one of the main reasons why I went ahead and buttoned it up. So we got the valve cover back on. All of that is good to go. But, and I'm going to show you in a few minutes, but this timing belt is not on there as best as it can be. And that's a little bit irritating to me. Yes, I rhymed. I think ultimately what I'm going to have to do is pull this timing belt cover and replace that tensioner. To me, that's a little too loose. That side is tight, so that right there tell you something is wrong right there, because this shouldn't be tight and this loose. But you'll see more of what I'm talking about. But I am pretty sure that the leak that's in here is from that cam seal. But I can't worry about that until, you know, I get this other problem fixed, which is the tightness of this belt. I don't know. I just don't think it's tight enough. But what we're going to do is go ahead and start it up, because at least it starts and it runs and it's movable, because I moved it here. But if you recall, I still got a whole turbo. I got a lot of stuff that I need to do to this thing that's just sitting and waiting for me to do it. But I don't want to even go there until I get what needs to be fixed. And that first thing is the timing belt. I need to replace that tensioner. That's what it's looking like. Now the good thing about that too is the Corvette is going into the shop tomorrow. So I will at least have a few days that I can deal with that. Oh, I didn't put this thing still in neutral. That's not good. At least I had sense enough to put the freaking parking brake on. All right, let's start this thing up so I can back it up. Crazy good oil pressure. This is going out. This is going out. So right now it's showing right, 14.7. Now look, I'm pretty sure that my air fuel sensor is on the blink. So, but I got another one. I need to put that in. But I don't even want to do none of that until I get this belt fixed. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So y'all let me know if this is bad. That thing is flapping like a flapjack. Absolutely terrible. All right, let's back it up, because I've got to pull my car out tomorrow. All right, that's probably far enough. Yeah, that thing is flapping. We gotta fix that. So it's in a good enough position to be moving around and such. But anything more than that, I don't really want to do, for obvious reasons, because that is a problem. But we're gonna get that fixed. Did I back up far enough? I really didn't. But oh well. It should be far enough to get out. Yeah, we gotta get that. That was way tighter. I should have just kept trying like I normally do and just slide it over there without unloosening it, because the minute I unloosened it, that's what happened. But what I did find out in this whole process is I didn't really need to put, I just put that gasket back in and it's holding up fine. I didn't even, you know how they tell you to put the silicone in the edges? I didn't do that. I just slapped it back on there. But we'll have to really see when it starts making a lot of boost and pressure and so forth and so forth. Why am I out of breath? But anyway, that's where we are with that. That's where we are with the old Civic. It still can move up under its own power, which is always good. That is always good. She had a flat. That's not good. I gotta order a tire for hers. It's cut on the inside, so I patch. Normally I just patch up tires, but I can't patch that one. Should be at the track right now, but in that car. But at the same time, like I said, I'm taking it to the shop tomorrow. I don't want to risk breaking it, and it's got to go to the shop. And it's got a fuel leak at the gas tank. So at the same point, I don't want to. Matter of fact, I need to go put some gas in it. So I don't want to have to deal with that either. Let me get this key out of this car.